Hi guys. So we just got back from my grandparents for a birthday party. It was good to see people that I see on a regular basis and not on a regular basis. Most of my family live nearby. And then some don't. So I gave my cousin some Batman pajamas that actually match my Batman pajamas. And she loves them. I don't think she loves them as much as I love my pajamas. I think I want a pajamas day pretty soon. So yeah. My brother actually has a very good idea. October 10th is going to be Pajama Day on Twitter. Everyone tweet a picture with their pajamas using the hashtag #PajamasRule. That would be fun. Anyway, I just wanted to say welcome to the vlog. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So I just got back from my little cousin's first volleyball game. And I would have vlogged it. But our front door wouldn't open. And I just forgot to grab it. And I thought it would embarrass her, but my aunt said it wouldn't. So yeah, maybe next time. But we lost. So I have the CP Walk vlog edited, and I'm just going to wait until like Wednesday to upload it. And why do I tell you some things that doesn't matter, because the weekly vlog goes up on either Friday or Saturday. I think it's because I think I'm a daily vlogger, but I'm not. I mean, I do daily vlog, but I don't upload daily. If I had a normal body, I would definitely daily vlog. But I don't want other people to have to pull out the camera all day long. It's nice that they do help me vlog some stuff, and I totally appreciate that. But if I have them to the entire day, I think they would get burnt out. What was I talking about before I went on a rant? I don't remember. So I think I'll stop talking. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So it has been a good day. I have been all over town and the internet all day. It has been sunny but chilly. Welcome to fall, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, it isn't 96 outside. But you know that I pretty much only sweatshirts and sweatpants all year long. So that's not saying much. But the leaves are starting to fall. And it's pretty cold when we go on our walks at night. And this morning, I was freezing in bed. And my glasses were foggy, but I didn't go outside. It was weird. I don't know what happened, but I couldn't see. I thought that it was just my eyes, because I just got these glasses. So I would have literally pooped if they were already scratched. I only have had these glasses for 6 days. So yeah. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So apparently I deleted the color of my shirt off with Photoshop. And I don't know how that happens, but royal blue's gone. I even looked up the actual color number, and it came up with purple. So, not sure if I can fix it. If not, I think Kendall 36's new colors are purple, pink, and yellow, which is perfectly fine. But I just like royal blue better. How the heck did I delete blue? I mean, what the heck? I know I deleted a whole spelling program off of my computer, but a color? Yes, I hated to do my homework, especially spelling. So I just deleted the entire program. My OT was quite surprised, and very mad. And then she showed my mom how to reinstall it. Lucky me. I might have a disability, but I was a little brat sometimes. But anyway, I am redoing the Kendall 36 intro. Well, trying. So yeah, I was on my computer all day as usual. And I'm going to do stuff, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. It is Friday. And I think it rained this morning. It's really dark. Well, not nighttime dark, just cloudy and dark cloudy. Yeah. And it's kind of cold, and I'm so excited. I don't know why. But I want, like, stormy weather. Even though I'm scared of thunderstorms. So you know what I was talking about Wednesday. Well, it saved the right color. I think I have a filter on, and I have no clue how to turn it off. So I have to remember that. It's super weird. So yeah, I have been on the computer all day as usual. I started my Christmas shopping. Never too early. I think it's actually pretty smart to shop early so that you don't have to worry about money in December. And I haven't ordered anything yet. I'm just looking at prices right now. And I always talk to my mom and dad beforehand. So I think it's time to end the vlog. Thanks for watching. And that's all, folks.